Welcome back to A Taste of K. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a drink called Malta Aclette, basically using Malta and evaporated milk. The ingredients I'll be using is 3 7-ounce bottles of Malta, 2 12-ounce cans of evaporated milk, and half a teaspoon of almond extract. If you want this drink to be more on the sweeter side, you can use sugar. To a pitcher or container, go ahead and add the 3 bottles of the 7-ounce Malta. Add half a teaspoon of almond extract. Add 2 cans of the 12-ounce evaporated milk. If you want this drink more on the sweeter side, you can go ahead and add sugar to taste. Stir and allow to chill before serving. Now there you have it, Malta and milk, also known as Malta Aclette. Thank you for watching A Taste of K. I'll see you in another video.